Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. That's great. Okay, students. So today we are going to study in our English book number 2. So please open up your English book number 2, students. In your book, students, what are we going to study today? Do you know that? Let me tell you. For that, first of all, we will have to open up our index page, right? On our index page, as you can see, it's mentioned the vowel A, 2-letter clusters from page number 8 to page number 26. We are going to study page number 8 today. So quickly open up page number 8 in your books. Okay, students. So now, after you have opened up page number 8 in your books, what do you see? What's written on the top? Read it with me. The vowel A, 2-letter clusters. Yes, this is what we are going to study today. Now, we have studied vowels and consonants both in our previous videos, right? So, what we are going to do today, we'll firstly revise vowels and consonants very quickly and then move ahead, because the topic we are going to do today involves both vowels and consonants. Okay? Okay, students. So, let's quickly revise the vowels. What were the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O and U. And all the rest of the alphabets which are not vowels, the rest of the 21 alphabets are consonants. What are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, S, Q, R, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Yes, all these are the consonants. So, you remember now vowels and consonants? Good. So now, as we have revised the consonants and vowels, let's move ahead. Today, as you can see, what is the topic? We are going to study the vowel A, 2-letter clusters. Now you must be wondering, what are we going to study in this? What does this topic mean? Let me explain it to you, students. First of all, it's written the vowel A. So, you know vowel A, right? The first vowel. 2-letter clusters. 2-letter clusters means 2 letters like A, B, C, D and clusters. Clusters means group or set or team or bundle. So you can say today we are going to form a set of a group of vowel A along with another letter. So we are going to form a 2-letter sets today, 2-letter groups today, which are going to involve vowel A. In our later videos, in our later chapters, you will get to learn how the other vowels, which are E, I, O, U, all these are also combined along with the consonants. So this is the reason we have revised vowels and consonants, so that we can understand it very well. Okay. So, after we have explained what we are going to study in this topic, you can see a lot of letters mentioned there over here on this page. You can see the vowel A over here and many other letters written over here. So, what do you see? What idea do you get? See, it's written vowel A, right? And then you see an arrow which goes to consonant B. Right? B is a consonant. So, what is this? A and then B and then it's AB. Then it's A, D and then AD. Don't worry. I'll explain it to you how we're going to do it. But as you can see, this A vowel is the main thing. Today we are going to combine, we are going to form a set of letters by combining this vowel A along with the consonants, right? I'll explain it to you how. Okay, students. So, what do you see? over here we can see vowel A sitting over here, and he is sitting with all these consonants. Now all these consonants are going to do friendship with vowel A, and when they become friends, they are going to form a group, a set of letters. Then they will become a set of letters, a two-letter cluster. See, like this is vowel A and this is consonant B. So A and B forms AB, right? Now after we combine all these consonants, we get all these results. We see all these two-letter clusters forming. Now you must be thinking कि हम इसे प्रोनाउंस कैसे करेंगे. डोंट वरी, हमने फोनिक साउंड्स पहले पढ़ी है, तो हमें सारे लेटर्स का फोनिक साउंड पता है. बिकॉज वी नो द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ ऑल दीज लेटर्स, सो वी विल बी एबल टू प्रोनाउंस द टू लेटर words, the two letters that we are going to form. So pronunciation will not be a problem. Okay, so after I've explained you how we are going to combine these, I am going to show you this through a video also later on. In that video you will see how these letters combine and form a word. So now let's quickly start understanding these one by one along with their phonic sounds, so that you can understand how to pronounce it, right? Let's take up the first one. A, B, B. A, D, D, add. A, G, G, ag. A, M, am. A, N, an. A, P, app. A, T, at. So this way we have seen how we have combined vowel A along with the consonant and we have formed a two-letter cluster. Now students, if you closely look at these two-letter clusters, you must be able to see a few of them you have already studied earlier. You have in fact seen them earlier also. You know which ones I am talking about? I am talking about this one. AM, am. AN, an. And AT, add. What are these? You remember I taught you sight words? Yes, these are sight words. Sight words we have studied earlier. What are sight words? Come on, quickly tell me. Sight words are those words that help us to read and write sentences easily. We can find them in the sentence again and again. Okay, so let's quickly see where do we find these sight words, where are they present, and as you can see over here how we have formed these sight words, how these sight words are formed by combining a vowel and a consonant. You see that? हमने एक vowel को और एक consonant को combine किया तो एक two letter cluster बना, एक two letter set बना जो कि एक sight word भी है और sight words हम पढ़ चुके हैं. तो मैं आपको जल्दी से एक्सप्लेन करूँगी कुछ साइट वर्ड्स जो आपको इस पेज पे दिखाई दे रहे. जैसे कि सबसे पहले हम कौन सा साइट वर्ड देखेंगे? am, am. So here it is. am. I am a good student. Where do you find the sight word in this? Yes, here in the middle. So you see, you found the sight word here in the sentence. Now let's quickly come up to the next sight word. an. An. We saw an elephant. An is a sight word, and an is also an example of the vowel A with a letter to form a two-letter cluster. A is a vowel, N is a consonant, and when they are joined together, they form a set and then they form a word. This is a sight word, and we have seen the example of sight words. Now let's come up to the next sight word we can see on this page. AT, at. AT, at. Look at this picture. Where is the sight word? Over here. So what do you see? We have seen these sight words. They are there in the sentence, somewhere in the starting, somewhere in the middle. And as I taught you earlier, sight words are those words that help us to read and write sentences easily. Okay, now after this, what we are going to do? We are going to see a video in which you will be able to see all these letters combining together and forming a two-letter cluster, through which you will be able to completely understand page number 8.
Now read with me. Ab, ad, ag, am, an, ap, as, at. Now it's your turn to read.